We are ready to stitch out a embroidery design, and a feature I often use is actually called monochrome. Now you'll only find this feature once you've actually touched the needle and thread feature. We go to kind of that second screen where we're embroidering color 1, 2, 3, 4, all the different parts of the design. So if you just wanted to stitch from one color to the last stitch without stopping, choose this function here. It allows you to, it just takes out the color stops. So it actually will not stop, and you can turn something from a multicolor design into a one color design. Now when possible, I will do that because it stitches out the design so much faster, and usually it looks pretty cool. Now I don't do that all the time, but monochrome is an option with just a touch of the button. And if you really wanted to sew out fast, activate that rabbit speed, that is the faster speed, and you'll get through your design much quicker. So there is some beautiful things that you can turn multicolor into one color, especially tone on tone. I love to stitch black stitching on black fabric, white stitching on white fabric, or just pick the matching thread to the fabric you're using, and it just adds such an elegant look when you're done. And all with a touch of one function.